Hi there, crafters. It's Sheila with SheilaStamps.net, and today we are making a simple Christmas card using his light, and this is the card that we're making. Let's get started. Okay, so we are going to start with our big shot, and I have a piece of Night of Navy, and this measures 3 3/4 by 5. I'm going to bring in my big shot. And then I have the Swirls and Curls embossing folder. I'm going to make my sandwich, run that through. Alright, isn't that pretty? I just love that. Okay, so next we're going to do our embossing, and I have a piece of Night of Navy, and this measures 2 by 4 1/4. I'm going to get my embossing buddy. I'm going to run that across. And I also have the silver foil edged cards and envelopes. And you get 20 in a pack. And emboss the inside of that card. So I'm going to come in with my VERSAMARK. And on block I have Rejoice. And that is from His Light. And then we are also using Christ is Born. So I'm going to ink this up. Just like that. And then I'm going to come in with the Christ is Born, and that is on block G. Just like that. I'm going to put down some paper here, and I have my silver embossing powder. Just put it everywhere. That looks good. All right. And now I'm going to come in with my heat tool. Let it warm up for a bit. Got away from me. All right, so we'll put that aside. And I have a piece of foil sheet, And this measures 2 1/4 by 4 1/2. And I come in with my snail, and I'm going to put the rejoice down. Just like that. Yeah, I am going to crease that. And I have the metallic edged ribbon, and I just want to add that right in the middle here. Get my ribbon scissors. And then I'm going to pop this up with some Stampin' Dimensionals. Maybe. Make sure I get it on there straight without getting my head in the shot. All right, and then we're also going to pop this up with some Stampin' Dimensionals. All right, so there you have it, a quick and simple Christmas card. Thanks for watching, and if you need any of these supplies, please click on my online store. It's in the YouTube description below.